So took a loss today. Let's talk about what happened and and what I did in the trade and what could help me in the future, right? So if we look at what's been going on in the market today, right? So let's have a look at the overall market conditions. So SPY on the time frame. If we look at SPY this morning, it was unchanged. It did try to go up. This is a big resistance level, right? So knowing all that, I was looking at sectors, like what sectors are performing versus underperforming. So we look at home builders, we're not really performing. Jets and XOP, oil and XLF, we're doing okay. So we got airlines, we got oil and financials doing well in the morning, right? So which gave me a sort of bullish sentiment on Boeing, right? So when I was looking at Boeing, I saw the price close above the 5-day EMA on the 1-minute time frame, okay, which is right about here. And then I saw it also close above the VWAP as well, right? And then on the 5-minute time frame right here, I was watching what price was doing as well and if volume was picking up, right? So, and also on the 1-hour time frame, I had the bigger levels marked where price could possibly find resistance, right? So if we look at this, we got resistance between 192 and 194, right? So right in the morning when price crossed this level, this is where I entered my trade. And you can see the volume was coming in quite heavy right in the morning and it was going through and the pullback volume was weak, right? As we can confirm here. So when this happened, I was like, you know what? Boeing could continue to move today. I entered about, 6-7 contracts at the money. And I took the trade, right? Because today's Friday, the options are, very cheap. It's called lotto plays. And this is why lotto plays don't work out all the time, right? So this loss ended about a $1,200 loss for me, right? So what happened was Boeing did go up. I was in green right here, right? I was in green, but I kept watching. This is a mistake that, even though I've been trading for a while, it still does happen because you know what happens? Greed kicks in, okay? So the greed kicked in here because I'm like, you know what? Boeing is going to go to 194 and it's going to reject from here. It'll continue to move. Even when I went to this level, because its pullback volume was not that strong, these candlesticks were weak. But if I stuck to my discipline right here, where price closed below the 5-day, EMA, I would have been fine. I would have closed at a profit still, a very small profit, but still a profit. I kept holding. I saw green volume come back in here, and you see, then the next selling came, and the options started to decay really fast on me, and I exited for a $1,200 loss. Okay, so this is what happens when you don't stick to the plan. Boeing could potentially come back later on in the day, but I'm not trading anymore. I accepted my loss. Overall the week was very profitable, but I'm not going to add on more here. I'm just going to reduce my risk, take a time out, reassess my trade. But this is what happens on lotto days if you don't stick to your plan. Even myself, I've been trading for a while, I got hit. All right, guys, so just be careful when you're trading up there. Make sure you stick to your plan, stick to your discipline, and don't get hit too hard.